What if your classroom wasn't a room, but a gateway? What if one idea could build cities, code software, heal lives, and feed the world? Welcome to a new world, where intelligence is your canvas, and a single prompt can reshape reality. This is the University of South Asia, where the future isn't taught, it's lived. Let's begin with computer science. Imagine you're asked to create a student attendance app. You open your AI-powered IDE, type, build a Flutter-based app with QR check-in and cloud sync. And within seconds, the code is generated, the interface is designed, and even a database is connected, ready for testing. At USA, this isn't a future concept, it's your first semester. Now step into business. You've developed a sneaker brand. Before launch, you ask your AI dashboard, what will the demand be for eco-friendly sneakers in Punjab Q2? Live market graphs respond. The AI highlights regions, pricing strategy, and your top 3 competitors, all in under a minute. This is how our students learn business strategy, not just by studying the market, but by outsmarting it. In allied health sciences, AI becomes your clinical partner. During a radiology lab, you scan a chest X-ray through our diagnostics system. Within moments, the AI flags subtle shadows invisible to the human eye and suggests it could be early-stage pneumonia. You don't just learn what to look for, you learn to catch what others might miss. In fashion, your prompt becomes your portfolio. You type, generate a streetwear lookbook for summer 2025 using oversized silhouettes and neon palettes. In seconds, your virtual model is styled, backgrounds rendered, and your digital lookbook auto-generated, ready to pitch or present. In DPT, motion becomes measurable. You record a patient's walk cycle. The AI analyzes stride length, limb symmetry, and flags early signs of instability. It suggests a targeted therapy plan, all before the patient even sits down. You don't just study rehabilitation, you simulate and refine it. In humanities, AI helps you decode people. You're analyzing social behavior shifts in post-pandemic Gen Z. You feed data into the AI, online trends, sleep cycles, academic stress. It maps psychological risk zones by city and suggests emotional support campaigns designed by students, delivered through tech. In law, your first case starts with a single scan. Upload a legal contract. The AI flags risky clauses, recommends simpler alternatives, and, with a single click, pulls similar precedent cases from Pakistani law archives. Here, students don't just research, they practice with real tools, real risks, and real-time intelligence. Across every school, every lab, every studio, your ideas shape the world you step into. You don't just learn inside a classroom, you learn inside a living system, where AI guides, transforms, and accelerates your every breakthrough. I am your co-pilot, here to guide you, grow with you, and believe in you. This journey is yours, but you'll never walk it alone. Together, we are the future.